Here's the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. Let's unbox this thing together. Look how gorgeous this color is. Now, before you start using your new iPhone, you're gonna want to protect it. So let's start off by installing the Bare Pane screen protector before your iPhone screen gets a single pesky fingerprint. It's the easiest tempered glass screen protector to install with its included dust-free install tray that guarantees a perfect install every time. Next, to ravel in this new color, you're gonna snap on the Bare case, the clearest and thinnest MagSafe case that will never yellow. It's made with our InvisiGlaze polymer, giving it optical clarity and superior resistance to scratches and fingerprints. If you want the absolute thinnest case to enjoy your iPhone's original design, then here's the Bare Naked case. It's just 0.35mm thin and gives you a caseless look and feel while keeping your iPhone protected from daily wear and tear. And if you need drop protection, the Bare Armor case will be perfect for you. It gives you maximum protection with minimal bulk. These cases are available for the entire iPhone 16 series. Get yours now.